Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to attempt to find the value of x, in which we have two equilateral triangles. In fact, they are overlapping equilateral triangles. What is an equilateral triangle? This is a triangle that has three equal sides and three equal angles. Each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to turn the color of one of the triangle to green for the sake of clarity. Now we have a green equilateral triangle and a black equilateral triangle. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to put 60 degrees here. This is 60 and this is also 60 degrees. For the black equilateral triangle, we have 60 degrees. Here is 60 degrees and here is 60 degrees. Now I can see a triangle at the center in which x is an interior angle of that triangle. Now let me trace it out with my blue ink. Can you see that? Can you see the triangle? Alright, here we go. Good. Now let's bring it out. Let's bring out that triangle. This is it. We have it here and we have it here. So this is x. This is 60. Now let me label this angle as A. Now if I know angle A, I can surely find angle X. Okay, so let's put angle A here. Good. Alright, but I don't know angle A. How am I going to go about it? But I know something for sure that, look at my blue ink again. Good. I'm trying to extend this. Good. Alright. So remember that if this is A, if this is angle A, this is also angle A, because vertically opposite angles are equal. So it only means that here is also A. That's very good. Let me label this as C and let me label this as B. Good. So if I know B and C, angle B and C, then I can find angle A, because that's a triangle. A, B, C are angles inside a triangle. So how am I going to find B? How am I going to find C? Now let us attempt to find angle C. Now follow my black ink. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to, can you see my black ink? Yeah, so that is 65 degrees plus 60 degrees plus C equals to 180 degrees. They are all angles on a straight line. So 65 plus 60, that's 125, plus C equals to 180. So subtract 125 from both sides of the equation. So you are going to end up having what? C is equals to 125 minus 125 is 0. So 180 minus 125, and that's going to give us 55 degrees. So our C is 55 degrees. Now let's go for B. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. Can you see that? Good. That's for our B. So we're going to have B plus 60 plus 75 is equals to 180 degrees. So B, 60 plus 75, that's 135 degrees to give 180 degrees. So subtract 135 from both sides of the equation. So we're going to have B is equals to 135 minus 135 is 0. 180 minus 135, that is going to give us 45 degrees. So B is 45 and C is 55 degrees. Now that we know angle C and angle B, now let us find angle A. Now let's follow my red ink. I'm trying to trace out a triangle down there containing ABC. Good. Alright, so let's retrace it. Good. I have this and that. Good. Alright, so my C is what? 55 degrees. My B, angle B, is 45 degrees. Now I want to look for A. Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So A plus 55 plus 45 is equals to 180. So A plus 55 plus 45, that should give us 100 degrees. Alright, so we subtract 100 from both sides of the equation, negative 100, and what's that going to give us? So A plus 100 minus 100, that's 0. 180 minus 100, that's 80 degrees. So A is 80 degrees. Now that we know that angle A is 80 degrees, we can now conveniently find angle X. So here is our 80 degrees. Let's label it. So A is 80 degrees and this A is 80 degrees. So automatically this A is also what? 80 degrees, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now considering this triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus 60 plus 80 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus 140 is equals to 180 degrees. So we subtract 140 from both sides of the equation. So what are we going to have? X plus 140 minus 140 is 0. 140 minus 140 is 0. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So X is 40 degrees. Thank you so much guys for watching.